Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a pattern lock on your Windows PC or laptop, similar to the one you use on your mobile phone. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for 9Locker. The top result should be from Learsoft. Click on that link. Once you're on the website, click Download Now. After clicking the download icon, go to your Downloads folder, double-click on the file, and select Yes. Follow the installation prompts by clicking Next several times, accept the agreement, and then click Finish. After installation, a simple interface will appear. Here, you need to draw your desired pattern twice to confirm it. Use your mouse to draw the pattern you want, similar to how you set it up on your mobile phone. Next, you'll need to set a rescue password. This is a backup password in case you forget your pattern. Enter a simple password and click Save. You can also customize additional settings. Click on Background Image to change the lock screen's background to options like silver, gold, or glass. In the general settings, you can hide the pattern lines while drawing for added security, enable an alarm sound, and more. Make sure to save any changes. This pattern lock is perfect for securing your computer when you step away for a break. To activate the lock, use the desktop shortcut or search for 9Locker in the Windows search bar, then click Yes to lock your computer. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more related content in the future.